Welcome back, everyone. Here is part 2 of the Christmas edition Decorate With Me. Everything is already in its place, so this is just going to be a very short and sweet video showcasing where it is. And then also take a look, we have our Dollar Tree items as well as some of the previous DIY projects. So enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video.
I'm writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here. Same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No matter if it's near or far. Everyone wants home for Christmas. Wherever in the world they are. One after the other, knocking at the door. Here everybody's welcome, the rich and the poor. Kids play on the outside in the newly fallen snow, while the grown-ups all huddle up inside away from the blistering cold. Soon Santa will be here. The same